Welcome to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host, Pinky. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your notifications, and follow me on social media. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So today I will be trying the Grapeseed Shine and Style collection from Aunt Jackie's, which is rich in vitamin E and has the ability to prevent hair loss, reduce dandruff, and restore damaged strands. I'm beginning with the Power Wash Clarifying Shampoo, which claims to remove buildup and enhance your curl pattern, as well as cleaning strands with apple cider vinegar, healing aloe, and coconut milk. This shampoo is also sulfate and paraben free, which is very important to me. As I was washing my hair, it didn't feel like it was stripping my hair of anything, as well as my hair did feel very clean when I was done. Apple cider vinegar is just great for me because I have bad dandruff, and I feel like it truly cleaned my scalp as well as my hair without stripping it. Next, I'm moving on to the Rescued Recovery Conditioner that can double as a deep conditioning treatment or a rinse out conditioner. And it has a restorative blend of oils, including tamanu oil, and it smells really delicious, by the way. It was made specifically for chronically dry and damaged hair in need of repair, and it claims to strengthen the hair shaft and gradually bring the elasticity back to curls. So I always apply a very generous amount of conditioner to my hair at this point, so I'd be grateful for like jars like these. As I was applying it, it felt like it was very moisturizing. It had lots of slip, which I love in conditioners because I always detangle at this point with a wide tooth comb. And you know, as I was detangling, it was very easy to detangle, and my curls seemed to really respond to it. Had my curls popping out and just feeling very soft and luscious. I lost the footage, but I also used this conditioner as a deep conditioner after I rinsed it out. I left it on my hair for a good 10 minutes while I finished my shower, and after I was done, my hair just felt like I sent it to a spa or something. It was so soft. So next up, I decided to do a WaveFormer style. I already have a full video on these, so I will leave that link down below. But this time around, I used Aunt Jackie's FRIZZ Patrol, which is a setting mousse. The FRIZZ Patrol claims to lock in lightweight hold, smoothness, and shine while kicking frizz to the curb. Grapeseed and jojoba oils deliver penetrating softness and hydration, while tamanu oils helps to strengthen and improve elasticity. So I only needed about 2 pumps for each section, and when I would rub my hands together, the foam together, and apply it to my hair, it really brought out the curls. The next day, as I was taking down my hair, I was feeling on the waves just to see how it felt, and there was a hold, but there was also a certain moisture that came with it. It didn't feel dry or hard. It just felt firm and like it was holding the waves. So the final product I'm going to use is the Shine Boss Refreshing Sheen Mist, and it's an antioxidant rich sheen spray that claims to deposit vitamin E right into your strands. Use it right after drying your curls or whenever you need for an extra sparkle. And I will say, after I sprayed this on my waves, it did give my hair a certain shine that I really thought was so cute. A lot of times I overestimate shine sprays, but I definitely like the way this one made my hair look healthier. So overall, I really like this collection, and I would honestly recommend it to anyone that has color treated or dry natural hair. It really gave my hair the boost that I was looking for. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.